located on the Milwaukee Road, that tower.
Yep.
That Santa Fe sign came from a building from downtown Chicago.
Wow.
It was donated to us about like 5 or 10 years ago. But it was on this building for a very long time in downtown Chicago.
Yeah. This is really cool, man.
Yeah. To get off.
Oh, that tells us we can get off.
Is this yours?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, like I know these are not original, but
Oh, yeah, these look very modern.
Yeah.
Well, these ones, they're
but
like...
I do know some cars have original light bulbs on
Yeah,
them.
you can't get that at Home Depot anymore.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, but I do know that some cars do have original light bulbs in them. See, okay, this one has a drinking fountain in here,
Yeah.
and then in here was the toilet. And I think it's locked, though. I think they have it locked. Yep, they have it locked.
But that's awesome, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so yeah, this was the smoking room section. So if you were back in the day, if you wanted to smoke on the train, you had to sit in this section.
Yeah. That is awesome, man.
If anyone would like to join us on the diesel coach, we'll be running in 4 minutes. Hello.
You want to go see some of the barns?
Yeah, come on, let's walk.
How's it going? Good. I'm showing a guy.
How are you,
from
man?
my job,
Chris.
from my
How
work.
are you, Eric?
Nice to meet you guys.
My job, from my work. So yeah, I'm showing him around.
Cool, well enjoy.
Thank you.
What you got? Where have you been so far?
Just here.
Yeah, just here. We just rode the train.
Cool.
I just got here literally like, what, 30 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Cool. We're running this diesel, and if anyone wants to ride, we're going to do one more.
We just rode this on the main line, so
No worries.
yeah.
You sound like a man from Yorkshire.
I am a man from Yorkshire.
Oh, Lord.
Wow.
Well,
thank you.
I spent 10 years of my life
Did you?
working and living in the
Like
Big
closing-
Smoke
Nice.
in London.
Nice.
I was 2006 to 2016. I lived and worked in Southeast London, and I worked in in the center.
Nice one.
So yeah, that's why I recognized the accent right
Yeah,
away.
Honestly, really appreciate
Oh mate,
that.
I worked with some Yorkshiremen, quite a few, and
We're a funny breed when it
as
comes
soon
to
as you
it.
hear that Yorkshire,
Anyway, enjoy your day, have a good
nice
day.
one, Chris.
Bye.
Nice.
Oh,
dude, yeah.
Here, then I'll show you the steam shop.
His accent is so distinct to the
Yeah.
area where he's from.
Yeah.
If you ever go to Britain
Yeah.
and you hear that accent, you're like, it's like a pin on a map.
I have a few from my
'Cause-
buddy. I have a few online buddies who are from the UK, and I know all of them have different sort of
Yeah,
accents.
yeah, right.
Welsh
They all have
people,
East Anglia, you know,
Yeah.
South London. Then you got the
then you got
North.
Scottish.
Then you got the Northerners. They kind of carry the word, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, that fellow there, definitely Yorkshireman.
Yeah. Oh, this
Nice.
Is, hey, Roger.
Hello.
Showing this guy from my job around.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is where some of our more
Nice one.
Pullmans are in here.
Oh, more Pullmans.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, this is it. So yeah, but these cars kind of represent the days before you had Amtrak.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come up in here and take a look.
Oh wow.
You can't go inside though unless Roger is being generous and wants to know. I don't have the key.
No. I've been in one. I've been in
You can
one.
actually go inside some of them, and not this one, but the ones further up you can.
Because you know the Pullman Museum in Pullman, Illinois. It's like an all outdoor open museum as well. So I've been there.
Yeah, this is the oldest passenger car we have in the collection.
The Ely.
In 1889. And this is a photo of it.
See,
like
I know Ely, Minnesota, not Nevada.
And then this is like one of those larger plows and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can see, yeah, this is...
Yeah, these are like the luxury coaches.
Yeah. This is a business car, so if you were the businessman of the railroad, this is what you would ride.
Yeah. Yeah, they have like a little bunk up there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
And you can go inside these cars.
Yeah, I've been to the Pullman ones, a couple of them.
And this is a crew dormitory, or this is a lounge and crew dormitory car.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got the bar here.
Nice. Still stocked? Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know how old that stuff is.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, but these are seats, and then these are actually the bunks that get pulled down, and this is an example of one of the bunks.
Pull down bunks?
Yeah. So
Nice.
this is an example of them.
Yeah, look at the old school mattresses.
Yep.
You know, that's all you need.
Yep.
You know, a Scout.
And then the next car is the dining car. Now this car actually, I was told that the kitchen actually is functional, but we can't use it because it doesn't have, we don't have a working washroom, and we don't have running water on it. And this car, in order for us to serve food.
But a lot of like, I could even see a lot of the parts like stamped like Milwaukee. See, look, like this one, made in Milwaukee Company, Gibbs, Loeffel, Halls, and Steel Company, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So even like a lot of the parts were stamped.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice, man.
Yeah, this is a Wheelville and Nashville dining car. The kitchen actually works, but again, we don't. In order for us to use it, we need to have a working washroom and also like.
I think a license
water.
too.
Yeah, so
you guys would have to have a license.
Yeah.
And it's a lot of legal jargon.
But here's the kitchen.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, the kitchen is in here. It's right in here though.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like when public places like this, if you got to open this up, so much licensing is gonna have to go through. The fire suppression system has to be up to code, dude.
Yeah.
Like, there's so much stuff, like the switch boxes.
Yeah, but as I said, like here's some photos of this car in service.
Preparing dinner in a dining car. Yeah.
Yeah, we would go on, but it's closed because the next car is the mail car, and there's no way to get into that car.
That's all right, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
All the tour.
Now this car is an air conditioning car, so and these windows you can't open. These are sealed windows. So we've actually had this car on the coach train before, but when it's a hot day, it gets pretty hot in here.
Yeah, and these fixtures too, the light fixtures, you can see that they're probably, original, if not, then very long time ago.
I do know Roger has been replacing a lot of the original bulbs with LEDs. Because they take up too much energy.
Yeah.
But I know some cars still have original light bulbs.